Greetings, fellow travelers. Today we embark on a thrilling expedition into the realm of computer vision, where machines perceive and interpret the visual world much like we do. Imagine a world where computers can see and understand images and videos, just like humans. From self-driving cars to medical imaging systems, computer vision is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an exhilarating journey into the fascinating world of computer vision. Our journey begins with the fundamental building block of computer vision, the image. Digital cameras act as the eyes of machines, translating the visual world into a language computers can understand. These digital eyes work by capturing light reflected from objects and converting it into a grid of tiny squares called pixels. Each pixel represents a single point in the image, characterized by its color and brightness. But capturing an image is only the first step. The real magic happens when sophisticated algorithms step in to analyze and interpret this pixelated representation of our visual world. These algorithms decipher patterns, identify objects, and extract meaningful information from the sea of pixels. Now let's delve into the fascinating process of training these digital eyes to see. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You might show them pictures describing its features, pointy ears, a furry tail, sharp claws. Computer vision models learn similarly, but instead of using words, they rely on data. We feed these models massive data sets of images, each labeled with the objects it contains. The model analyzes these images, learning to identify patterns and features that distinguish a cat from, say, a dog. This learning process involves complex mathematical models and algorithms, but the essence is simple: pattern recognition. The more data it processes, the more refined its ability to recognize these objects becomes. With each image it analyzes, its knowledge base expands, enabling it to identify objects with increasing accuracy. It's a continuous learning process, constantly evolving and improving as it encounters more data. One of the most intriguing applications of computer vision is facial recognition. This technology has captured our imaginations, appearing in science fiction films and sparking debates about its ethical implications. Facial recognition software analyzes facial features, mapping the unique geometry of each face. It's like creating a digital fingerprint, a unique identifier for every person. This technology goes beyond simply identifying faces. It can also be used to track emotions, analyze facial expressions, and even predict age and gender. From personalized advertising to security systems, facial recognition is rapidly changing how we interact with the digital and physical world. However, this technology is not without its controversies. Concerns about privacy, bias, and potential misuse are important considerations. Let's shift our focus now to another captivating application of computer vision: augmented reality, or AR. Unlike virtual reality, which immerses us in entirely digital environments, Arkansas enhances our perception of the real world by overlaying digital information onto it. Imagine pointing your smartphone at a historical landmark and seeing historical figures come to life on your screen. AR makes these experiences possible by using computer vision to understand and interact with our physical surroundings. From gaming and entertainment to education and healthcare, Arkansas has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. As we venture further into the 21st century, the future of computer vision shines brighter than a supernova. This technology, once confined to the realms of science fiction, is rapidly becoming an integral part of our daily lives. Imagine a world where self-driving cars navigate our streets with human-like perception, and medical diagnoses are made with unprecedented accuracy. The applications are as boundless as the universe itself, poised to reshape industries and redefine the boundaries of human ingenuity. As we conclude our journey into the captivating world of computer vision, one thing is abundantly clear: we are witnessing a technological revolution in the making. Machines are no longer passive observers of our visual world. They are active participants, interpreting, analyzing, and even augmenting our perception of reality. From the mundane to the extraordinary, computer vision is transforming our lives in countless ways. As computer vision continues to evolve, we can expect even more awe-inspiring applications to emerge, fundamentally changing how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. So keep your eyes open and your minds curious, for the journey of computer vision is just beginning, and the universe of possibilities it unlocks is vast and full of wonder.